Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy, dear viewers. In today's lecture, I'm going to teach you how we can find out the percentage of total sales. For example, here I have given the names of the salesmen. After that, their total sales are given. Then, according to those sales, the one with the highest sales has been divided accordingly into percentages. That is, this is the percentage of the total sales that we have. In this way, this is the percentage that has been calculated. This is the percentage that has been calculated for this one. So, how do you find out the percentage? You can easily find it in MS Excel. For this, what you need to do is create a table like this, in which you write the title here. Then in one column, you write salesman, sales, and then percentage. And after that, you enter the values here. After that, you need to select all these cells like this. As soon as you select all the cells along with the values, you will see an option for quick analysis on the drop down here. Or if you press Ctrl Q, it will also open up for you. Here we will click. After clicking, you need to go to total. And as soon as we click on total, all the information about the total appears for us. Here we need to click on this arrow. After clicking on this arrow at the end, you will see a command for the total. Now, as soon as we click on total, the total will be displayed here for us. Now, what you need to do is select this value again. After selecting, we will come here again. After clicking here, you need to go to total. After clicking on total, you need to come to the end here and click at this spot. Now see, you first need to select the column that contains the values, and the column to its right where you want to display the percentage should be left empty because the percentage will automatically be added to that next column. So as soon as we click on total here, you can see that the percentage has been added here. Now, if we change any value here, for example, we have 9,600 instead of 96, I changed it to 95,000. As soon as I pressed enter, you can see that all the other percentages have been set here and have been automatically updated. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how to find the percentage of total sales. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.